Hello and welcome to today's English lesson. Today we will do what we usually do, which is pick up where we left off. But before we do that, let's go to the practice book and check out the homework. Okay, so practice book, homework, page, page 93. Okay, that was the homework page. Okay, sentence building. Now, if you remember last time, we learned to use I have, you have, he has, she has, it has, we have, you have, and they have. Okay. Now, in here we will complete the sentences with have or has. Okay. Now here we have he has got a brother. I have got a dog. You have got red socks. She has got two sisters. They have got bikes. We have got big apples. We have got big apples. All right, great. If your answers were correct, that's good. If not, you can correct them right now. Complete the answers. How many sheep has Sammy got? Sammy is the same as he. So Sammy has got 3 sheep. How many dogs has Ben got? Ben has is the same as he. So has got 2 dogs. Have the girls got dolls? Yes, the girls. Girls here is plural, so it's the same as they. The girls have got dolls. Okay, so here are the answers to yesterday's homework or the last episode's homework. You can check them now and correct them, or if you already have them, if you already have the same answers, that's very good. Okay, now we can move on to the language book and we can pick up where we left off in the last episode. All right, so last time we were on unit 13. We just started unit 13. We read all of these here. Danny can count. And today we're going to page 118. Okay, grammar. How many castles are there? So let's count. 1, 2. There are 2 castles. How many guys are there? Let's see. 1, 2. Oh, 1, 2, 3. There are 3 guys or boys in the picture. Okay? Number 3. How many girls are in the picture? 1, 2, 3. Okay, that's 3 as well. Okay, now I want you to pause the video, answer the rest on your own, and then play the video again and answer them with me. So go ahead and pause the video now. Okay, if you pause the video and answer them, let's check together. Now the answer can be different because I don't see very well in this picture. But how many birds do we have? 1, 2, 3. I see 3 birds. You might have a better version of the book, so the picture might be clearer and you might see more, but I only see 1, 2, 3 birds. Trees, how many trees are there? 1, 2, 3, 4 trees. Okay. How many stars are there? No stars here, no stars here, only here. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We have 7 stars in the picture. All right. So we have 2 castles, 3 boys, 1, 2, 3. Actually 4, not 3. Sorry, I didn't see that. The right side of the picture. So we have 4 boys, not 3. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many girls? 1, 2, 3 girls. How many birds? 1, 2, 3. How many trees? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Actually, the picture isn't very clear. I didn't see that one here. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 in the picture over here. Okay. How many stars are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 stars. Okay. Very good. Now here we're going to ask and answer. How many castles are there? The answer is there are 2 castles. Okay? Now, here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to ask about stars and trees, and you have to answer, okay? After you answer, I will help you and answer it as well, so you can check your answers, okay? So first, how many castles are there, you say? Very good. There are 2 castles. 1, 2. How many stars are there? Now you have to say how many stars there are. There are? Okay, very good. There are 7 stars. Okay. How many trees are there? There are 5 trees. Very good. Okay, now you have to ask a question here. So go ahead and ask me how many. Okay, very good. How many birds are there? There are 3 birds. Okay, good. Now ask the question here, boys. Okay, very good. How many boys are there? Okay, there are 4 boys. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, now you have to ask the question here. Good. How many girls are there? Very good. So here there are 3 girls. Okay? Now, look again at the picture. Write Tilly's questions. Okay? How many? Well, we have 4. We only have 4 girls. So how many boys are there? 4. Okay, here we have 6. So what else we have 6 of here? So if we have 6, let's see. I think the birds are the one that are 6. So let's try to count 1, 2. I think these are birds as well, so we can count them as birds. So we can count those as 6 for the birds. Okay. Again, I'm not sure they're birds, but just for the sake of this question, I'm gonna add 6. Okay. So 6. How many birds are there? 6. Okay, good. Here we have 5. What do we have 5 of? Trees. So how many trees are there? Okay, so how many trees are there? 5. Okay, so here's 7 stars. So how many stars are there? 7. Okay, very good. That's a good answer. So how many boys are there? 4. How many birds are there? 6. How many trees are there? 5. How many stars are there? 7. Okay, very good. These are the answers to this question here. Okay, listen and circle the number. Okay, first of all, I'm gonna read all the numbers that we have here. And then I'm gonna say one number and you have to circle it. Okay, so let's go ahead and do that together. Okay, 17, 18, 19, 20, 11, 12, 13, 14, 2, 5, 7, 10, 80, 90, 99, 100, 24, 25, 26, 27. Okay, now get ready because I'll only say one number and you have to circle it. Okay, let's do the first one together. 19. 19. It's this one right here. Okay, now get ready. We're going to do the rest. I will only say the number. This time I will not circle it with you. Okay, so let's go ahead. Number 2. 11. 11. Number 3. 7. 7. Number 4. 90. 90. Number 5, 25. 25. Okay, very good. So number 2 was 11. 11. Number 3 was 7. 7. Number 4 was 90. 90. Number 5 was 25. 25. Okay, very good. If you answered the same, if you have the same answers as I have right here, that is great. If you don't, that's fine. It's okay. It just takes a bit of practice and you'll be able to get it in no time. Okay, now we can move on to the next page and look at phonics. Okay, now here we're going to listen and read. So okay, I'm going to read and you have to listen. All right, so let's go ahead and do that. Do you like thin or thick pizza best? Look, I've got 3 eggs in my nest. I've got 13 ducks in my bath. I've got 33 ants on my path. Okay, good. You can listen to it again. You can actually even listen and repeat after I say every sentence, and that will help you a lot with your pronunciation. Okay, now number 2. Match and write the word, circle the th in each word, which is th. Okay, so first picture is thick. Thick. Looks like a thick sandwich. Okay, here, path. Path. Here, bath. Bath. Here, well, this could be thick and this could be thin. Just for the example of this one, this is a lot thicker, but this looks thick as well. So this is thick. Thick. Okay, good. Now here, thin. Thin. Path. Path. Bath. Bath. Thick. Thick. Okay, so these are the sounds that we have to make here. Match and write the words. Circle the th in each word. We have 3, 13, 30. So first one here. Actually, I want you to answer this on your own and then play the video again and check the answers with me. So go ahead and pause the video and answer. Okay, if you pause the video and answer the questions, let's take a look. 3, 13, 13, 30, 30. Okay, so 3, 13, 30. Tick the words you can read. 3. So here we can take this one. So if you can read it like this, you can take it. If you don't, just leave it empty and we'll do it together. So go ahead and pause the video and tick the ones you can read and don't tick the ones that you can't. Okay, if you pause the video, let's read them together. 13, 13, 30, 30, thick, thick, thin, thin, bath, bath, path, path. The only difference here is b, bath, and here p, path. So that's the only difference between these two words. Okay, good. That's very good. Good job on this one. We can move on to this one. Class writing. How many are there in your classroom? Count and write. Now here you can count the ones in your room or in your house in total, for example. Okay, it should be in a classroom, but I'm going to do this in my room. Okay, so in my room I have 1 window, I have 2 doors, I have 2 desks, I have 2 chairs. I have 1 board. Pictures. I have 2 pictures. Oh, I'm the teacher in in my room, so 1 teacher. Now, I don't have any children in my room, but I have a lot of children in my page and on my channel. So I'm just gonna do this because I don't want to write the answer. Again, same thing as the children. I don't have any in my room, but I have a lot in my channel and in my page. Like you now watching my video, you are a part of this right here. So I'm not gonna write the number. I'm just gonna leave it open. Okay, but your numbers can be different from mine. So check out how many windows you have, how many doors, how many desks, how many chairs, how many boards, and so on. Okay, now the rest of these you can do on your own. Basically, you can ask how many windows are there. In my case, there is 1 window. So here, instead of writing in my classroom, you can write in my room or in my house. So in my house, there is a window, there are 2 doors, there are 2 desks, there are 2 chairs, and so on and so forth. You can just stop whenever you finish. Okay, great. That's it for today's lesson, or this part of the lesson. Let's go to the workbook or the practice book and check out today's homework. So let's go ahead and go to the practice book. All right. So we're going to pay Unit 13. We're going to do something that will help you understand what we've done today a bit more. So page 95. Choose and write. So you're going to choose any of these numbers here. You're going to write them in the gaps below. Here, choose thick or thin. Write them here. Write 3 mouth, bath, tooth in the gaps over here. Okay, we will do them together next time, and you can check your answers with me. Thank you very much for watching. I hope you learned something new in this episode, and I'll see you in the next episode. Goodbye.